Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing my Galaxy Note 20 5G. I did go ahead and go with the base model just because I wanted that flat screen and I really didn't care about the back because I'm going to be putting a case and or skin on it. I did order a D-brand skin. It's just not here yet. This is a Rinky case that I purchased. I think I got it on eBay if I remember correctly. Just a little cheap case to hold me over till my skins get here. I did order a Samsung silicone case from Best Buy, but I ordered the Ultra by mistake, so I've got to send that one back and exchange it. With my pre-order credit, I did get the Galaxy Buds Plus in red, a travel charger, and I also got a UV sanitizer, which came in another package, which I'll do a separate video on later. So right here we do have the Note 20. It is in the gray version. Let me, let's see if I can cut this open. Get these off real quick. Alright, there's one. And two. See if it will come out. There we go. Alright, so one thing I want to comment on right out of the box is it's got this screen protector that is very poorly installed. And this happened with the Ultras as well. It doesn't even go to the edge of the screen. There's a hole for a fingerprint in the middle. So yeah, we're going to be getting rid of that. We'll check it out first though. There is the back. You really can't tell it's plastic unless you tap on it. It's frosted, so it feels pretty good. I don't really mind it being plastic. It doesn't bother me. Under here we do have a fast charging USB-C adapter. Let's see, nothing in there. And then right here we have our USB-C to C cable. Actually, do we get extra S-Pen tips? I guess we don't. Actually, nope. Where's the top? There we go. I always forget they put this up here. Alright, paperwork, still no extra S-Pen tips, so I guess we didn't get S-Pen tips this year, unless I'm missing them, but there's definitely nothing in there, nothing in that, and those are empty as well, so, that's weird, because it usually has a little, like, extractor too, so you can get the S-Pen, the little, nib out, to swap it out, but I guess they don't include that. I'll have to check and see if that's something I'm missing, or what's going on there. But that is the S20 5G. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. This is just an unboxing video. There will be more to come on this, videos, reviews, that kind of stuff on the S20. I know a lot of people haven't done videos on the base one. Everybody's doing videos on the Ultra. So I'm going to play with this for a little bit and we'll test it out, see how it is, and I'll let you guys know what I think for my initial opinions on my next video.